It stated that an obscure protein had emerged as the key perpetrator of pain. What researchers discovered is an inflammatory protein called peptidase inhibitor 16, or PI16 for short. And when this protein gets released, it drives inflammation through what's known as a cytokine storm. This cytokine storm is responsible for that raw, tender, burning sensation associated with sciatic nerve pain. These same cells make your nerves super swollen and super sensitive. And one muscle in particular that can cause major problems with the sciatic nerve is the piriformis muscle. In some cases, the sciatic nerve passes right through the muscle. But that's not the only muscle involved. Other muscles like the superior gemellus muscle. That's because all of these muscles come into direct contact with the sciatic nerve and all the other nerves in your back and legs, and at some point can irritate and even compress them when they're in spasm. And just like inflammation, the longer muscle tension lasts, the more likely it can do long-term damage to the surrounding nerves. The knots and trigger points can also cause all sorts of pain. You know the ones. Deep pressure on them hurts, but it's like a hurt so good kind of pain. Those tender trigger points are basically localized muscle spasms. And when muscles are constantly under tension, they can cut off blood supply to the area and strangle the sciatic nerve. Scar tissue caused by chronic inflammation often causes more problems than it solves, especially when it comes to the nerves in your back and legs. And just like muscle tension can compress and irritate your nerves, fibrosis can trap the nerves in a web of scar tissue, causing a flare-up at any time. They found 636 volunteers and split them up into 3 groups. One group received a placebo, 300 milligrams of this vitamin, and a third group got 600 milligrams of the vitamin. After just 3 weeks, both groups of people taking this vitamin experienced significantly better sciatic nerve discomfort relief compared to the placebo. Those taking the higher dosage did the best of all. And not only that, but studies show that this vitamin can relieve anxiousness, encourage a positive mood, and promote sound sleep